your income depends on DJI drones, you need to hear this, because what's happening right now could crash your entire business. DJI drones are being stopped at the US border. They went silent at NAB, and now they're shifting to e-bikes and power stations, which is kind of weird. Either way, stick around to the end, because what you're about to hear may completely change how you approach gear, clients, and your future in this industry. And if you're not planning for what's to come, you're planning to fail. What's good? It's your boy Ty Turner, former Army combat photographer and founder of Flash Film Academy. This ain't one of those YouTube channels run by a guru living off brand deals and selling you pipe dreams. We don't sell fantasies. We build profitable content businesses. Everything we teach is battle tested in the field and used to land real clients, real contracts, and real results by myself and by real Flash Film Academy members actively in the trenches. And today we're pulling back the curtain on DJI and why your ability to create drone content may be in danger, especially if you're not watching the warning signs. Number 1, DJI drones are being blocked. Right now, US Customs is detaining DJI gear, not just drones, but chargers, batteries, and accessories. And it's all because of Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act. And this is no rumor. DJI has confirmed it. And here's the business part most people are missing. This isn't just a delay, it's a full-on chokehold on your supply chain. If your business depends on DJI gear and drones, and you break one prop, your replacement prop could be stuck somewhere out at sea, which means you're grounded. Here's a pro tip. I keep at least 3 batteries and 2 sets of props per drone at all times. Because if your gear fails mid-contract and you can't replace it fast, your reputation is cooked, fam. And your clients don't know about what's going on with DJI to even care about why they should let you off the hook. Number 2, DJI went MIA at NAB. That's the next red flag. NAB 2025. DJI was there, but you wouldn't know it. There was no flight cage, no Mavericks, not even an Inspire. That's like Apple showing up at WWDC and skipping the iPhones. It's like they teased the Mavic 4 Pro, then showed up with nothing but gimbals and power stations. For at least the last 3 years I've been going, DJI dominated MAB with drone booths, live demos, and crowd hype. This year, crickets, and that silence speaks volumes. Number 3, DJI isn't just shifting, they're pivoting hard. So where's DJI going? Into e-mobility and power. Let's talk about the DJI Avionics e-bike motor system. It has a torque sensor, it's app controlled, it's fully connected. They're moving into high-end electric mountain bikes. Up next, we got DJI portable power stations. Solar ready, high output, and aimed at creators and field crews. Their new lane is competing with EcoFlow and Jackery. This ain't just a side hustle. This is a strategic shift. Number 4, the real threat to your business model. Let's be real. This isn't about losing a drone. It's about relying too heavily on one brand to run your business. Creators who build their whole entire workflow around DJI, they're waking up to supply chain issues, policy changes, and gear they can't replace. That's not a business model. That's a liability. Number 5. This is what's coming next. Here's how this affects you right now. First things first is no resale market. DJI is tightening re-registration. Selling used gear may be impossible soon. Next, used prices will skyrocket. If imports stop, clean used drones become gold. Next is a parts shortage. Need a new arm, gimbal, or charger? You may be waiting for months, or you may have to settle for some no-name, cheap knockoff brand that could fry your batteries. Last but not least, you got workflow breakdown. If your drone fails mid-project, no replacing it, no backup. Your client walks. And that's not a good look. You need to make sure this don't happen to you. Number 6, move like a business, not like a buyer. Here's what you should be doing today. Stock up on props, cables, batteries, whatever keeps you in the air. Get double. Number 2, don't sell working gear unless you got a backup. Number 3, study alternatives. There's other companies that make drones other than DJI. And most importantly, stop letting your gear make business decisions for you. Be the solution, not just a drone owner. Real quick, before we wrap up, don't forget to grab your free capture and convert kit over at flashfilmacademy.com. It's free. It's the best way to get started. DJI's future in the US isn't promised, but your success, that's still in your hands. If you pivot like a business and not panic like a buyer. Keep in mind, we live in a world where every business around you need content. Why aren't they hiring you? When you're ready to answer that question, join flashfilmacademy.com, and in the comments below, what DJI gear do you have and that you're scared about not being able to get replacement parts for? That's what I want to talk about. I wanted to grab a Mavic 4 Pro, but they're not even for sale in the US. This is nuts. Anyway, post your DJI concerns below. I would love to hear about it. If I hear a certain response a lot, I may do a follow-up video. Until then, I will see you all in the next video.
What's up, guys? We just got off the phone with Ty himself. We were on a call with him for 1 hour, and oh my God, it was a knowledge mine in there. Highly recommend talking to him, because if you're kind of uncertain on where your road is going, he can help navigate you and show you kind of like the path that you need to go. I mean, this guy has diversity. Another thing that we have is that we are gold members, and we are able to join the community of people who are business owners, actual business owners, not just artists. And we believe that you are the 5 people you hang out with. Oh, yeah. So if you're hanging out with some dope people and business people, entrepreneurs in the business, not just people who want to make cool videos, well, then you're going to become that person yourself. And we really do believe in that. I mean, so much so that right now I'm about to buy one of the courses that Ty offers, one of his master courses. But I do believe in this product. Knowledge is power. And if you don't think so, then yeah, this might not be for you. But if you know for sure that knowledge is power, then you need to hurry up and get on the ball.
Yep. Again, Ty, thank you so much for the clarity and the extra boost of confidence. We're so excited to just take everything to the next level.
Yes, thank you guys so much.